Hello, welcome to another exciting time on my blooming TV. Today we are going to be making a keto compliance recipe. If you want to find out what it's going to be, keep watching. Today for this, I'm going to be using a stand mixer and my Rival tabletop oven. The Rival tabletop is amazing. If you want to check out other recipes on my channel, feel free to do that after this video. Please don't keep this video to yourself. Share with your friends, like and subscribe if you haven't. I'll be right back and we'll go through the ingredients together. So for this keto pumpkin loaf, I'm going to be using pure pumpkin. So make sure when you go get your pumpkin, you get pure pumpkin with nothing else added. And then for the sweetener, I'm going to be using the Lakanto sweetener, or you might find it as erythritol monk fruit blend. So the texture is really good, looks like sugar, but it's zero calories. So I'm going to be using 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of ginger, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of cloves, 1 teaspoon of salt, and then 2.5 tablespoons of baking powder. So for those of you who are going to be making 1 loaf, you can just use 4 teaspoons of baking powder. So 1 loaf, I'm going to be using shredded coconut, and this is unsweetened. And for the other one, I'm going to use walnuts. So this is half a cup each. And then for the flour, I'm going to use 1 cup of coconut flour. And this is 1/3 cup of the sweetener. And then for the butter is 1 cup. So you want to make sure it's at room temperature. And then for my pure pumpkin, I'm going to use 1.5 cups. And then for my eggs, I'm using 8 eggs. And the eggs also have to be at room temperature. And then I also have almond flour here. I have 3 cups. And then you want to grease your pan or line it with parchment paper. I don't know if you can see the pan. Okay, so I have 2 pans. So we're going to get mixing. We'll start first by mixing the dry ingredients together. Then we'll go cream the sweetener and the butter. Keep watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
유난히도 캄캄한 밤에 나 홀로 너를 생각하네. 이런 기분 설명할 수 없어. 원래 이맘쯤 너와의 여행을 생각했었는데 네가 좋아하던 와인과 선물을 준비했겠지. 기뻐할 너를 상상하며 근데 왜 이런 생각을 하면서 너를 추억만 하게 된 건지 어쩌다 너와 나 왜 이렇게 끝난 건지 너를 기억하면 난 가슴이 아파와 어쩌다 너와 나 이렇게 잊혀진다면 다시 사랑할 수 없을 것 같아. 너에겐 너무 낯설었겠지. 내 맘과 다르게 너에게 상처를 줬으니 사랑한다는 말로도 부족했던 너에게 내가 너무 잘못한 것 같아. 너와 나의 다른 생각이 결국엔 우리를 서로 갈라서게 만들었어. 근데 왜 이런 얘기를 하게 된 건지 난 모르겠어. 어쩌다 너와 나 왜 이렇게 끝난 건지 너를 기억하면 난 가슴이 아파와. 어쩌다 너와 나 이렇게 잊혀진다면 다시 사랑할 수 없을 것 같아. 말은 해줘야 하는데 내 마음 변하지 않았다고. 모든 게 오해야. 내 얘길 들어주길 바래. 어쩌다 너와 나 왜 이렇게 끝난 건지 너를 기억하면 난 가슴이 아파와. 어쩌다 너와 나 이렇게 잊혀진다면 다시 사랑할 수 없을 것 같아. 어쩌다 너와 나 왜 이렇게 된 건지 시간이 지날수록 네가.
Here we have it. Our keto pumpkin loaves are ready. This one here is the one with coconut flakes, and we added a little bit of sesame seed on top of it for some decoration. And then this one here is the one that had the walnuts, and I also put some walnuts on top of it. I have tried it. It's really good. I didn't expect it would taste that good. And this recipe, it's so easy, no skills required. Give it a try. Let me know how you like it. Leave me a comment. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe. Until next time when I bring you another exciting recipe, have a blessed and wonderful day.